we gonna transfer? Ontario.
This is LA airport.
Yeah. Oh, this is so cute. Mosquitoes. $8 for mosquitoes. No, thank you. I feel like the donuts are calling my name. Las Vegas. If you're in Vegas, welcome home.
Cool.
If you come visit, don't get arrested.
Yeah, no arresting.
Just landed to Las Vegas, and I'm so excited to get our food.
We built a grill yesterday.
Really?
Built a grill?
What? How?
And then it took like almost 2 hours.
Oh,
Yeah, it
smells so good.
Where you like bought one in the sun?
I'm already eating another fried egg, and my friends are eating the dessert.
was 是有咖啡的。
But when they did that go around,
mango mochi.
I was like, oh my god.
The total for today's dinner is
There was a battery there.
she's not bad enough. After the food, we're gonna have some walk at the Asian market. Probably get more food. Block my view. Red light.
Everybody's got a story to tell. A naked trip.
Your bike.
I actually have service here.
It looks like someone rented from the strip and then ride it here. Would you rent it for $60 an hour?
It could be worth it, honestly.
Looking up at the buildings above. Kinda sticky in the city of love. There's a place if you're feeling down to help you out by sticking around.
Super hungry. We're trying to get. What are we getting? I don't know. Crispy cream or anything we can get on the way back. We're stuffing.
These things are a big deal.
Big deal. And I wouldn't.
Well, it's not a big deal for you though.
My fish taco.
Oh, this is your steak fries.
We got a lot of food here.
It does smell pretty good.
Yeah. Rubio. I don't think we have this in Washington. Do we have this?
We don't have Rubio. No.
It's like the
If you guys have it, he wouldn't want it so bad.
pretty pineapple tree. From the donut factory. Got donuts for her housewarming party. Kaiman. The jacuzzi. It's a bit unfortunate we can't go back to spend night at the military base.
They hate Asian people, so they couldn't go in.
Yep. So if you are going to the military base, the foreign passport is not enough. You have to get a real ID.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's
Now
fine.
we're gonna have pizza and movie night with snacks.
Yeah. We just done grocery shopping. We got banana, yoga, root beer. What else? Life milk, chocolate milk.
Yep. There's also 13 grams
Yeah.
of protein in this per serving, which is pretty nice and tastes pretty good too.
Keep us alive for the next 3 days. And then we're gonna have root beer with pepperoni pizza. It's really good. It's different than the pepperoni I know.
Do you like this pepperoni? Do you?
The one at Costco, I just felt like
Oh, I
it's...
don't like that Costco.
Yeah, that's why I didn't like it.
No,
this
it's not
is so
that
good.
This is really like these little ones are so good, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
So we've got obviously both of these.
Wow.
No, there's only one size. You just...
Oh my god, that looks
This is
insane.
restaurant
I'm gonna take a
level.
photo of it.
It's so pretty.
It's photo worthy.
That really is.
Yep.
So nice.
We didn't even have this reaction when we see a red rock.
It's more red though.
Yeah.
It's road work.
202.
202 Flamingo, that's what we used.
What's this? It's so good.
Yeah.
If you gamble, silly goose. Silly goose.
There's another like
There's a
The
steakhouse.
Golden Ranches restaurant. Trying not to buy anything first round.
Yeah, I love Vegas like it's Egypt.
Even more expensive than my necklace.
I love Vegas every moment.
10块钱，这
It's
只还
my
好。
favorite
30块。
atmosphere.
我一在这边可以买得起的东西。
Love
Our nails
Vegas.
done. Harry Potter.
Because my money's here.
first battle for any class today and resale for discount, okay?
Oh,
Wow. Thank you.
thank you so much.
I love it when I lose.
I'll do this when I get home.
The tattoo? You want chopsticks through your head?
You think that would look good with chopsticks?
Probably.
Yeah.
It would just look way more Asian. But
I'm Asian.
I know.
Gentle monster.
I love Vegas.
Looks like gas station.
Oh, Mr. Untrodden, I must cheer.
That turn we fell. I already read. $11 for this. Natural blushes.
Yes.
I love Vegas because my blood is here.
How do you tell I puke?
I love Vegas when I'm loaded.
If we can have Halloween like every day, I would like this.
When I am not. It's a gas. Yeah. I love Vegas.
We're so lucky to have this buffet.
Iconic symbol of the wild
Yeah,
and
it's
an
there.
apex predator that
You
we
look like
fear
one
and
of them, the
admire.
color. Come get her. Come get her. Las Vegas sun.
Sun.
After looking at those sheep, we come to the top of the hill around here, and then this is the view you can see above it. After hot hike. Yep, the ground and the top. Mamma mia. Chihuahua. How much do you like this park?
It's pretty cool.
1 to 10.
I give it a 9.
Juvie, how much do you like this park?
It's pretty cool.
1 to 10. Bye bye, Hemingway Park. Second.
Thank you.
Thank you. Does it taste
Tastes really good.
Kung Fu noodle. Look at her Harry Potter nails.
不会包怎么办？
我说就把我们看得到的封起来，那变球的样子。蛋黄酥看起来现在都很像肉包。
没有蛋黄的蛋黄酥。
They look like bombs. 15 minutes waiting. They should be ready. Taste test 1. Did they get it?
好像可以再煮久一点，再烤久一点。
Okay.
深深的。
Ah. This one is like perfect for breakfast or any afternoon snack. And I already know it's not my last time making this because everybody around me love this puff pastry. It'd be so easy, just two. One is like puff pastry sheets and then red beans. That's it. It's so delicious. It's really crispy and I highly recommend for everyone that's craving for like Chinese snack